In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Very, very good morning, students. Today we will discuss about Mendelian genetics and Mendel's laws of inheritance. Mendel was a priest by profession. He performed a series of breeding experiments on garden pea. The scientific name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. His work was neglected for 34 years. Although he performed his experiment for 11 years. But after 1900, his work was rediscovered and acknowledged. So, he is called father of genetics. Who was Mendel? Gregor Johann Mendel was a priest by profession. He is called father of genetics. He performed a series of breeding experiments on garden pea. The scientific name is Pisum sativum on his monastery garden for 11 years, from 1854 to 1865. His work was neglected for 34 years. In 1900, his work was rediscovered and acknowledged. Mendel formulated two laws of inheritance. He laid the foundation of classical genetics. He also gave the phenomenon of dominance. So two laws are, the first law which he formulated is law of segregation of genes. Law of segregation of genes. And the second law was law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. Mendel selected pea plant for his experiment. It was a good choice for Mendel. Now we discuss about what are the unique properties by which he selected the pea plant. Please note it. Gregor Mendel selected pea plant for its unique properties. Number one, Pisum sativum was easy to cultivate. Pisum sativum was easy to cultivate. Number two, its flowers were hermaphrodite. Flowers were hermaphrodite. male and female sex organs are present on the same flower. Stamens and carpels are located in the same flower. Stamens are the male parts of the flower and the carpels are the female parts of the flower. Number 3, pea plant grew well. Pea plant grew well in his garden. And number 3 is, it is self-fertilized, but cross-fertilization may occur. It is self-fertilized. Self-fertilized, but cross pollination can be carried out when we remove the stamens from flower. The flower becomes female flower, and so we can also cross fertilize this plant. Number 5, it has a short generation time. It has a short generation time. Short generation time. The time gap between the two generations is very short. And number next is the life cycle is completed in 3 to 4 weeks. Number 6, life cycle is completed in 3 to 4 weeks. And number next is the seeds do not show dormancy. Number 7, seeds do not show dormancy. Seeds do not show dormancy. Seeds do not show dormancy. And number next is the pea plant has many sharp, distinct traits. It has many sharp, distinct traits. Many sharply distinct traits. Many contrasting characters are present in the pea plant many antagonistic pairs of characters are present in the pea plant. For example, when we consider the height of the plant, it may be tall or short. Flower color may be purple or white. Seed shape may be round and wrinkled. Two distinctive phenotypes are present. One character is dominant on the other character. For example, round shape is dominant over the wrinkled shape of the seeds. And tall phenotype is dominant over the short variety. And so Mendel studied seven pairs of such contrasting traits. And so these 7 pairs of traits are trait, phenotypes. It may be dominant and recessive. Size of the plant. It may be tall, which is dominant, and short is recessive. 6 to 7 feet, 9 to 8 inches, 9 to 18 inches. Number next is flower color. It may be purple. Purple is dominant, white is recessive. White is recessive. And the third contrasting pairs of character is flower position. It may be axial or terminal. Axial or terminal. Axial position is the flower is present on the leaf junction, and the terminal means flower is present on the tip of the branches. Number next is pod color. Green is dominant and yellow is recessive. And then is the pod shape. Inflated and constricted, inflated and constricted. And then is the seed color. Seed color it may be seed color is yellow or green. Yellow is dominant. Yellow dominant and green is recessive. And then seed shape round is dominant and wrinkled recessive. Wrinkled recessive. These are the contrasting pair of traits which were studied by the Mendel. Please note it.